Welcome back. I'm Dr. Noah Vols. In this video, you'll learn how to do isometric cervical rotation. This is a great exercise for improving rotation in the neck and strength in the neck. In order to do this, place your right hand onto the side of your face or your temple, and then begin to rotate the head into the pressure of the hand, rotating the head as far as it will go with this resistance of the hand. You can repeat that side 15 times, and then going to the other side, placing the left hand onto the side of the face or onto the temple, and then rotating the head into the hand, creating resistance with the hand as you rotate the head as far as it will go. Repeat this 15 times. This is a great way to create a stronger, more flexible neck. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.